Hi guys!
What are you doing, Appa?
You guys can see this one C4 Ultimate pre-workout drink I use.
Jillian,
What are you doing?
Hi.
what are you doing?
I'm putting chicken nuggets.
Oh, are we planning to cook something?
Okay, Chalian is going to cook mac and cheese for everyone today, and he's heating up some chicken nuggets for mac and cheese. So he's gonna cut it, slice. So I know he cooks good. Yesterday he made a ginger tea for me, so that was amazing while I was doing homework. This is our typical evening, guys. Today is Friday. Everybody's came from school. We picked them up from school. I'm going to work out, so at least 2 times, 3 times a week I go to work out. I've been busy school. And Chelia's gonna take over the video today. Chelia, what are you gonna do today?
I'm gonna be cooking mac and cheese with chicken nuggets, like sliced up to put inside.
Have you ever cooked mac and cheese before?
No, this is my first time.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at this.
Alright guys, just give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. If you're first time here, we are Blindian couple, Raman Pai family. Chelian is here. Chelian is gonna take over. Chelia, அற்புதமா பண்ண இன்னைக்கு செலியன் மேக் அண்ட் சீஸ் பண்ண போறோம் சிக்கன் போட்டு சிக்கன் நகெட்ஸ் போட்டு ஸோ அதான் இந்த வீடியோ ஃபுல் வீடியோ பார்க்க போறீங்க. You want to say anything in Tamil?
I don't know.
Guys, every year I'm teaching. This year supposed to go to Tamil school. We are late for the registration for getting to Tamil school, but next year maybe I'll take them to Tamil school. My goal, I want them to speak Tamil. It's not by force, so they can communicate with my family. So that's the whole point. I'll see you guys maybe next video.
Bye, Appa.
Bye bye.
Alright guys, so I know Ram said that it's been a really tough, busy weekend, so we've been super busy. He went to work out right now. Look at Kyle, it's Friday. Kyle still have a uniform on. She's been enjoying school, and every morning she will wake up and say, "Mom, I'm late for school, I'm late for school." So yeah, she's been enjoying the school, guys. So today's video, Jillian is gonna cook mac and cheese. First time. Most of the time is either me or Appa cook in the kitchen, but today this man right here is gonna take over the kitchen. So let's do this. Are you ready?
Yeah. So I have the mac and cheese box right here. So we're gonna read the instructions. It says boil the water. So I'm gonna be using the pot to put the water inside, of course.
Do you know how much water you're gonna need, Jillian?
No,
So you're supposed to measure, but don't put a lot.
this enough?
So yeah. Okay. That's my boy. So first of all, you did great. Put on the water in the pot, and now let's boil the water for how many minutes?
7 to 8.
Good. Let's do this. Go.
So, like earlier, we said that we were gonna put the chicken nuggets inside the mac and cheese. It's still boiling, but
This is your style.
yeah, we're gonna cut the chicken nuggets and mix it up with the mac and cheese.
Nice, Jillian. You're doing a great job. Okay, so it looks like our water is already boiled right here. Look at this. Ooh, the water is ready. So let's do this.
We're gonna put the mac and cheese inside the boiling water. First, I need to open it.
Okay. Alright guys, so the water has been boiling. Let me help you open this. You're cooking. I'm helping you, so you come this way.
And we add it.
So what do you do after this?
Then,
Here, another one. So I'm helping him anyway. Once you put the mac and cheese into the hot water, you have to make sure that you
Mix
it
it.
up so that way it won't just cook together, right? All right. So yeah. So technically, Jillian's supposed to cook mac and cheese, but since this is the first time cooking mac and cheese, I'm trying to help him. So that way he knows the process. Just in case in the future, if he wanted to cook something, so he know what to do, right?
oh, look at it, look at it.
Ooh, look at this. Everybody cook mac and cheese differently. Trust me, there's so many ways to cook mac and cheese, but we just follow the simple way to cook this mac and cheese. And what we're gonna mix it in?
We're mixing it with chicken nuggets.
It's already cooked. All I have to do is just put it in the microwave. I don't even need to put it in the microwave. I just gonna cut a slice and then
put
mix
it in there.
And then mix it where?
Inside there.
Inside here.
We have to add stuff in it like.
So you either can add margarine or you can add butter or you can add milk if you want to. But in this case, we don't want to add nothing because we're going to use chicken. And plus, we cut milk, right? So we don't drink regular milk.
We drink.
We drink almond milk.
Yeah.
I kind of help Chilean because I know this is the first time doing it. How do you feel so far?
I feel good because it might turn out good. Who knows how it might turn out, but
I like that. That's really cool. We're cutting in small pieces. Wow, there you go. Chilean is doing wonderful. Good job, Chilean.
thank you.
So I only help him do 3 pieces. He's finishing up with the rest right now. That's really good. Careful with the knife, okay?
Okay.
Good job. Oh my God.
Chicken style.
This is good. Okay, you know what you're missing? The
cheese.
You missing the cheese, buddy. Open the cheese and put inside. And I already lowered the heat right here. So you're gonna mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up. Ooh, guys.
Really cheesy. Mini Chef Ram.
Yeah? Do you follow when Appa cook?
No.
Yeah. This is really nice.
It looks ready.
Wow, this looks really good, Julian. You did really, really good. This is perfect. You wanna try a little bit?
Yeah.
And let me know how is it, if the salt is good to go. What is missing?
It tastes good.
Oh, nice. Okay. Wow, look at this. See this, guys. This is amazing. And now, what are you gonna do?
We are gonna put it in the bowl.
Yes, we got
To
it over
eat.
here. So we're gonna call Prince and Kyle to come and test the food, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go ahead, set it up for you.
So I'm gonna be putting the mac and cheese, as you can see. Looks really good.
Kyle, guess what?
Yeah.
I cooked this, Kyle.
What?
Yeah, I cooked it.
Are you ready to test it?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, Jillian, go ahead and put it in a plate for us.
Did it?
It's okay. Jillian is gonna put it for you.
And put some chicken nuggets for it too.
All right.
Prince, I made that. Mommy literally recorded everything, so I have proof.
Friends, your brother make you a mac and cheese. Kyle, okay, that's nice of you to bring the spoons. I like that. Here. So now we are testing Chilean mac and cheese. Mmm.
It's good, but it's not that cheesy. Like it doesn't have the
Prince
flavor.
want more cheesy? Come on, we did we added 2 package of cheese inside there. Kyle, let us know, honey. Go ahead. It's hot.
She's trying the chicken nugget.
I know the chicken nugget make it so delicious, guys. Good. So, Jillian did our dinner. This is really, really great. Thank you, Jillian.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nice. How do you feel making mac and cheese first time and you eating it with your brothers and sister?
I feel great that
Are you ready to make another one next time?
yeah.
Wow.
I'm gonna do it by myself.
You
No.
wanna do it by yourself?
Yeah, see how I do.
No, I'm gonna do with you. And who's gonna call Mommy? Well, I'm gonna help you for something.
Oh
Okay.
my God. Kyle is a really good helper. She's like, I'm gonna help you, and Mommy's gonna record, right? All right, guys. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like for the next video, guys. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.